Hello, friends. Welcome to today's episode. We have a deeply personal story to share. It comes from the heart. Today we hear from Yang Zhenning himself. He opens up about his broken friendship. He talks about pain and regret. This is a story about wounds too deep to heal, about relationships that can't be fixed easily. So settle in carefully. Let's listen to what Yang had to say. His words are honest and raw. This one will touch your heart deeply. Yang Zhenning finally broke his silence years later. He admitted something powerful to the world. The split with Li was tragic. He said clearly, "This is a major tragedy of my life." Those were his exact words in interviews. The pain was real. Yang didn't hide his feelings about it anymore. He acknowledged the loss openly and honestly. He called it a tragedy he carried. But then he said something even more important. Something that shocked many people who heard it. Listen to this carefully now. Yang made a strong statement about reconciliation attempts. He said it's not something simple at all. People don't understand the depth. It's not something we can fix with a handshake. That's what Yang told reporters and the public. Those words hit hard. Many people thought they could just shake hands, make peace, and move on like nothing happened. But Yang knew better than that. The damage went too deep into their souls. Years of hurt and misunderstanding piled up high. A simple gesture couldn't erase everything. Why did Yang say this so strongly? Because people kept asking him about reconciliation. They kept suggesting simple solutions. Everyone wanted them to make up publicly. Shake hands for the cameras and smile. Pretend everything was okay between them. But Yang felt frustrated by these suggestions always. The wound was deeper than people could see. It wasn't about public appearance. Real friendships that break aren't fixed so easily. Trust once broken takes more than gestures. Yang understood this truth completely. Yang carried this tragedy his whole life too. Just like Li, he felt the weight daily. Success came with a heavy price. He won the Nobel Prize, the highest honor possible. But he lost a friend and collaborator forever. Was it worth it? He wondered. In his old age, Yang reflected more deeply. He saw the tragedy from both sides now. But repair seemed impossible still. The scientific community watched two giants suffer silently. Both men achieved greatness but lost peace. Both carried regret and pain. Yang's words teach us something crucial about relationships. Some breaks can't be mended with simple actions. Time doesn't heal everything always. When trust is shattered completely and deeply, rebuilding takes more than effort. Sometimes it's just too late already. That's harsh reality. Yang and Li's story shows this truth clearly. Two brilliant men couldn't find their way back. The gap became too wide over time. So Yang Zhenning called it his major tragedy. He said a handshake couldn't fix what broke. That's the honest truth he shared. Sometimes in life we lose people forever. Sometimes there's no going back at all. That's the painful lesson here today. Thank you for listening to this heartfelt story. Remember to protect your important relationships always. See you next time, everyone!